Assalamu alaikum. What is Google Analytics? Google Analytics GA4 is a powerful free tool provided by Google that helps you gather and analyze data about your website's performance. It tracks things like who is visiting your website, what they are doing, and where they are from. Why does it matter? Well, it gives you insights into your audience, helps you measure your website success, and optimize your content and marketing efforts. Google Analytics is crucial for e-commerce businesses. It provides essential insights into customer behavior, sales performance, and the effectiveness of marketing efforts. This data-driven approach allows e-commerce businesses to make informed decisions, optimize their website for conversions, and allocate resources effectively, ultimately leading to increased sales and growth. How to create Google Analytics GA4 account and send access to a web analyst or freelancer. Let's get started. Okay, so now we have to create the Google Analytics account. So we will type analytics.google.com and then it will show you this interface, and you have to click on start measuring, and you have to input the account name. So I'm going to input my business name, and you can select this account data sharing settings and then click on next. And now input the property details. You can input your website address here or business name. So I input my website address, and then you have to input the reporting time zone. It can be United States or it can be your time zone actually. So I select the United States and currency United States dollar. Okay, then next. And the industry, so it will be like shopping, or it you have to select your industry here. So normally for e-commerce we will select shopping. And the business size, we will select small business, and then next. So what is our ultimate goal or our business objective? We will select our objective. So now I am going to select drive online sales, then create. You can select multiple as well, so if needed. Okay, so create. And this is Google Analytics terms of service agreement. And definitely you have to select your country here. It's United States, that's fine. And we will select I also accept here, and then we will also select this one and then accept. I accept. Okay, so this is actually the platform. We have to choose the platform. So it will be website, so we will select the web platform, and then we will input our website address here, www.samiuldigital.com, and we will input stream name. That's basically our website name or business name. Okay, then we will click on create stream. Okay, so our Google Analytics account creation is done. Now we have to set up the Google Analytics. So if you are a website owner, or if you have an e-commerce business, you want to measure your website performance, you want to use Google Analytics, but you don't know how to set up Google Analytics, and you want to hire someone to set up it for you. It can be a freelancer or any expert web analyst or an agency. So now you have to provide access. You have to provide this Google Analytics access to the freelancer or the web analyst. Okay, so how you will give access, right? So now I will show you how you can give access to the freelancer. So close it, and now you can click on directly go to continue to home, and then this is actually the home page of Google Analytics. Just this is actually email communication. Just uncheck and all save, and you can see no data received from your website yet, so you have to set up it. So if you don't know how to set up this kind of things, so you will just hire a person or hire a freelancer. So the process is very simple. You have to click on admin, and then you will click on account access management. Suppose you have 3 websites and you have only one analytics account, then you can create multiple property with different websites. So in that case, you can provide only the property access from property access management, but I'm going to show you the account access. So you will go to directly account access management, and definitely it's very easy to work if you give account access directly. Okay, so then it will show you this interface, and you will see that the Shopify SamiulShopify@gmail.com, that's basically my email address that I am using in this browser, and that's automatically selected. And now I will send access to my another Gmail, and you will just click on add user. Then you will input the freelancer's email address here. So I'm going to input my email address. Okay, so if you select this, if it's already selected, so I will get a notification about that, and you will select administrator, and then you will see my image is showing here, and then you will just click on add. Okay, so you already give me access, and I already get the access of this Google Analytics account. Okay, so that's actually the process of giving access to a freelancer or a web analyst. Okay, so hope you understand this video. If you have any question, you can ask me. Thank you so much.